The upsurge of the global pandemic COVID-19 caused the national health emergency. It has greatly affected millions of lives in the country, as it led to the lockdowns of most cities and provinces, forcing people to self-isolation in the four corners of their homes. Not to mention the crisis in the basic education, which for the great majority of Filipinos has become the least priority in the advent of the new normal, where survival of the fittest became the game. It is the Department of Education's goal to thwart this great challenge, hence the birth of the Learning Continuity Plan of Davao Occidental. With this established countermeasure, the Schools Division of Davao Occidental has orchestrated a design dubbed as Mahal Kayo, which stands for moving on against the health adversity by localizing knowledge-based actions, yielding optimism in education. This is a safety back-to-school learning continuity plan of the Schools Division of Davao Occidental, responding to the new normal of countering the invisible but an invisible foe, while still remaining true to the framework of sulong edukalidad of the department. The DepEd Division of Davao Occidental's geographical landscape clearly manifests the primary clients, the learners' varied access to basic education. While it is true that few might have access to online learning, but many certainly have not. This reality is not the only scenario of the learners, yet with the teachers as well, particularly those who are stationed in the far-flung areas where the last mile schools are. Nonetheless, whatever it may seem, DepEd Davao Occidental is optimistic to continue striving hard to deliver the basic education to the clienteles amidst the national crisis, while ensuring the health and safety of the learners, teachers, personnel, as well as the parents and the communities. Together as one with other agencies and the local government units, the Division of Davao Occidental will continue to work closely with our legislators on this matter in the effort of producing a comprehensive and feasible learning continuity plan. The Schools Division Office encourages more stakeholders to collaborate in the improvement of this scheme, bearing in mind that in this extraordinary time, there's no one-size-fits-all fixed solutions to our problems. However, the concerted and combined efforts of everyone to confront the challenges will go a long way in identifying solutions that will work. The main objectives of this learning continuity plan are anchored on the framework kite of sulong edukalidad of the Department of Education. Steered by these goals, these serve as reference in articulating the specific objectives developed by the Schools Division of Davao Occidental to confine the targets grounded on the current situation of the division. These are stated as follows: enhance the delivery of basic education through upscaling activities that will provide leeway to address the needs of the learners and the community. To reinforce teachers and instructional leaders through continuous provision of technical assistance in different modalities, and to deliver the continuous access to quality learning regardless of the health crisis, safeguarding the well-being of the learners, teachers, and DepEd personnel as well as the stakeholders of the Schools Division of Davao Occidental. Outlined are the formulated specific objectives of the learning continuity goals acknowledged as measurable and achievable areas for completion and be carried out responsibly by the school's Division of Davao Occidental's officials and personnel in the areas of accessibility, quality, responsiveness, and resiliency. The Technical Committee, under the leadership of the Office of the School's Division Superintendent, co-chaired by the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, with the two functional divisions, the Curriculum Implementation Division and the School's Governance and Operation Division, crafted this learning continuity plan to respond to the call of the time, to fight the challenges in basic education brought by the pandemic COVID-19. This is owned by the Schools Division of Davao Occidental. The SDO Davao Occidental Strategic Learning Continuity Plan Framework, anchored on DepEd's framework kite of Sulong Edukalidad and the slogan Mahal Kayo, which stands for moving on against the health adversity by localizing knowledge-based actions, yielding optimism in education. SDO Davao Occidental embodies this strategic LCP framework called LOVE, or Laying Opportunities and Value for Education, for learners, communities, and the nation. Along with this, SDO Davao Occidental, with the support of its stakeholders, is committed and driven to streamline education in all means amidst the havoc brought by the COVID-19 to ensure that learners continue their education. This framework will serve as its guide in all the activities that will accomplish to ensure that no child will be left behind, even in difficult circumstances, and teachers and all personnel are fully supported in achieving these objectives, which are stated in the strategies and plan of actions. Scope: the Schools Division of Davao Occidental Learning Continuity Plan covers all objectives, strategies, and expected outputs. This embraces the monitoring and evaluation and the policies imposed by the local government units on specific areas during the time of community quarantine in response to the reduction of the spread of COVID-19. Moreover, this serves as a controller in safeguarding the continued services in the department, regardless of the whys and the wherefores that may dislocate the delivery of basic education. In the advent of the new normal in education brought by the widespread of the pandemic, the COVID-19, environmental scanning and continuous improvement are critical for sustainability. Quality education are critical for a sustainable quality education. With this, the aforementioned future directions will undergo monitoring and evaluation based on the Division of Davao Occidental strategic frameworks for components, namely accessibility, quality, responsiveness, and resiliency. Where accessibility for continuous access to quality learning opportunities of the K-12 learners in the new normal. Quality to empower K-12 learners with knowledge, skills, and values for lifelong learning in the new normal. Responsiveness for the provision of quality education for better learning outcomes in the new normal. And resiliency for a responsive and strong Division of Davao Occidental in the new normal. All of these things, we are guided with the school's division profile on how to deal with the different problems so that this will be given opportunities to grow and to make all things possible so that the slogan of the Division of Davao Occidental will really be applied, which is turning your visions into realities.